Hope all of you enjoyed a lot what we were learning. And from my side, like a small feedback that I would like to share for all of you. Uh, Number of workshops that we have conducted on circuit designing. Okay, till now, wherever I have delivered this workshop, till now there are only two schools where I have enjoyed a lot while delivering this workshop. Only two schools. One was in Bangalore, the second one over here. Trust me, otherwise in other schools they just give the project, okay, start making, follow the manuals, that's it. At the end of the day, not much interest from the student side, like to learn more about it. But trust me, it's the first session where we have tried a lot, to give you more and more technical things. And from your side, yes, I would appreciate this thing that you people are so energetic and you have a good interest in learning new things. Because at such level, okay, trust me, it's not that easy to understand these concepts, okay, but you people are very good in this thing, okay. Keep this spark in you, it will take you a lot higher level, okay. Another thing is, in your life, okay, if you get a chance to learn anything, just learn it. Okay, don't think about it whether it's going to be fruitful for you or not. It may not be helpful for you today, tomorrow, or day after, but trust me, in the entire life, somewhere it's going to be useful for you in any form. And it's my personal experience because I've learned a lot of things in my life, okay, without thinking that it's going to be beneficial for me or not. And today's time, okay, this is not the only workshop that we deliver. Okay, on school level, we just have 3 workshops.